guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing some DIY back to school lunch ideas, and this is going to be collab with Brooklyn, so go check out her channel because she deserves way more subscribers. That's all I have to say, so I can get into the video now.
So for the first breakfast idea, I took celery and lettuce and put it onto a plate. Then I took a block of cheese and I cut it into a dinosaur with a dinosaur cookie cutter. So for the second breakfast idea, I took marshmallow cream, M&Ms, chocolate chips, and Cheerios, and then I combined them with the marshmallow cream to make breakfast bars. For the last breakfast idea, I took muffin mix and I added extra chocolate chips. Then I followed the instructions on the mix, then I stirred it all together, and then I put it into the muffin pan, and then I put it into the oven.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. If you enjoyed, you should have liked, comment, subscribe, but follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. I think that's all I have to say, so goodbye!